Hey, what's up guys, Coach Paul here. If you're interested in getting in the best shape of your life while learning strict boxing fundamentals, go ahead and purchase my 28-day wall brawl training camp program. Alright, comes with a 28-day video library of workouts. It comes with a boxing technical video where I break down strict boxing techniques, building you from the ground up, from footwork to punch technique to steps to defense, the full nine. Okay, it also comes with the wall brawl at-home setup. Comes with two wall brawls, one for the head, one for the body. Also comes with the diet plan. All right, so if you're interested in getting in shape, go get this program. 28 days, get cut, get ripped, learn how to fight for self-defense or even boxing if you want to compete or just for fitness. All right, go to polyboxing.com.